Hi, Dave Adamson with Merit Brass. I'm Inside Sales Manager and going to talk a little bit about flanges. As we know, in our pipe, valve, and fitting industry, it's all about connections. Strong connections make for strong piping, and flanging is one of the popular ways to connect pipelines, especially 2-inch and larger, because as we know, it's hard to thread 10-inch pipe. So looking at the flanges, Merit Brass carries all of the basic A items. One of the most popular is the slip-on flange, which we carry in 150 pound and 300 pound in both 304 and 316 alloy. We also carry the threaded flanges, similar in that 304 and 316, 150 and 300 pound. Both go all the way up through 12-inch in our inventory. We do have access to other sizes. If you should need it, give us a call. We also have the lap joint flange, so it's similar to a slip-on, but because of this rounded edge, it's used primarily with a stub end or in unique applications. But we do have the lap joint flanges as well. And then the other one that's popular is the Weld neck flanges. So we do carry those in both Schedule 10, Schedule 40, 150 and 300 pound, 304 and 316 stainless, again up through 12-inch in diameter. Then we also have in our flange offering the blind flanges, again 150, 300 pound, 304 and 316. And those are all the ANSI style flanges, which are the most popular. Merit Brass carries raised face. If you have a flat face ANSI need, do give us a call. We can explore some options. We do stock some of the MSS style flanges. They're not as widely used as the ANSI flanges, but Merit does carry some of those. Those will be flat faced. Those come with the serrated faces on the edge. Most of the other flanges, as we know, the ANSI style come with a raised face to them. That's different from the MSS flat face, and it's because it uses a different gasket. So the raised face gasket is going to be the exact width of what the raised face on the flange is. The bolts go in, and that's where your pressure connection is made. On the flat face, the gasket will be the entire face of this flange. You even have the bolt holes cut out, and again you bolt it together, and that's how your connection is made. We also carry the socket weld flanges. So socket weld are similar to slip-on, but they do have a little ledge or lip in there. The pipe would slide down in and literally fit into that socket, and then put your weld on the opposite side. So again, the 6 basic styles of ANSI flanges, we have you covered at Merit Brass, both alloys 304 and 316, and everything from small diameter, usually up through 12-inch in stock. We've tried to make it easy to reach out to Merit Brass for help. Should you have an inquiry, should you have a question about your order, should you need a quote, we have multiple ways to get hold of us, and you can also follow Merit Brass on social media.